What's good, future trading titans? I'm Money Forge, your guide to crushing it in the wild world of day trading. This is day trading for beginners. No fluff, no excuses, just hard-hitting truths to kickstart your journey. Strap in because we're going all in, smart and aggressive. Let's dominate the markets. Day trading is buying and selling assets, stocks, forex, crypto, futures within a single day. No holding overnight. You're hunting quick profits from price swings, sometimes in minutes. This isn't a slot machine, it's a battlefield requiring skill, strategy, and ice-cold discipline. Ready to play? Stop. Day trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Stats don't lie. 90% of traders lose money. Markets will chew up the unprepared and spit them out. You could lose your entire account in hours if you're reckless. To win, you need the right weapons. Here's your checklist. Knowledge study like your life depends on it. Learn candlestick patterns, support resistance, volume analysis. Books? Start with Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas or Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets by John Murphy. YouTube channels and free X posts from pro traders can sharpen your edge. Broker Pick 1 with low fees and fast execution. Thinkorswim, Interactive Brokers, or TradeStation are solid. For Forex or crypto, check Oanda or Binance. Research fees and reliability don't get burned. Capital for stocks. You need $25,000 minimum US pattern day trader rule. Less cash? Try Forex or futures lower entry points. Start small, but don't underfund your account. Now let's talk game plans. These are beginner-friendly strategies to stack wins. Scalping grab tiny profits from dozens of trades in a day. It's fast, intense, and demands laser focus. Think 5-10 cent moves on stocks. Momentum trading jump on trending assets. Buy high, sell higher when the crowd's piling in. Ride the wave, but don't get greedy. Breakout trading watch for price smashing through resistance or support levels. Enter with tight stop losses to catch explosive moves. Key rule: risk management is non-negotiable. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade. Set stop losses to cut losses fast. Use a 21 reward to risk ratio. If you risk $100, aim for $200 profit. Markets don't care about your feelings. Fear and greed will wreck you. Build a trading plan and stick to it like glue. Test strategies on a demo account for months before going live. Consistency beats flashy wins. Treat losses as tuition, learn from them. Stay hungry, but stay humble. You're a beginner? Perfect. Every pro started there. But you've got to grind. Paper trade until you're rock solid. Study daily. Follow top traders on X for real-time insights, but verify their advice. The market rewards the relentless. One trade at a time. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and attack the markets like a pro. This is Money Forge. Let's make money moves. Subscribe for more.